Hi, my name is Justin and I'm with ExcelGainz. Today is a quick example of how to use the RANDBETWEEN formula. For the first example, I will start by hitting RANDBETWEEN and choose between two different cell references, the high and the low. And it'll choose anywhere between 1 and 4 if you have a listing in Excel. Second example will be a low and a high just by typing the numbers in. So if I did 1 and 10,000. Third example, negative numbers. You can also use negative numbers in RANDBETWEEN. So if I type something like negative 5,050, there's something you should know that this is a very volatile function, meaning that anytime you change anything in the spreadsheet, it will recalculate the formulas. And you can actually recalculate them by using a shortcut key by hitting function key F9. So every time I hit F9, these will recalculate. Now just say you want to lock in your numbers. The best way to go about it would be to paste special as a value. So I'll hit Control-Alt-V, and those numbers will stay while the RANDBETWEENs will continue to change if I hit F9. That is RANDBETWEEN in a nutshell. If you have any questions,